How to disable notifications in Discord. Getting too many pings? No worries, I will show you how to turn off Discord notifications on desktop or a web browser step by step. Let's mute the chaos. First things first, open Discord on your computer or in your browser. Click the gear icon near your username in the bottom left corner. From the left menu, select Notifications. Here, you can disable desktop notifications, turn off message sounds, mute taskbar flashing and text-to-speech. Want to mute a specific server? Right-click the server icon, select Notification Settings, choose Mute and set a time or until I turn it back on. You will still be in the server, just no more pings. And that's how to disable Discord notifications on desktop or a browser. Peace and quiet restored. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.